Step-by-step guide to installing PHP on your computer. Step 1. Choose the appropriate PHP distribution. PHP is available for different operating systems. For Windows, you can use the official PHP for Windows distribution. For Mac OS, PHP is pre-installed. For Linux, you can use your package manager to install PHP. Step 2. Download the PHP distribution. Visit the official PHP website and navigate to the Downloads section. Select the appropriate version for your operating system and download the installation package. Step 3. Run the installation package. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions provided by the installation wizard. Choose the installation directory or accept the default one. Select the components you want to install. Usually, the default selection is sufficient. During the installation, make sure to select the option to add PHP to the system path, if available, to enable running PHP from the command line. Step 4. Configure PHP. After the installation is complete, locate the PHP configuration files. On Windows, it is typically found in the installation directory, for example, cdphp php.ini. On macOS, the configuration file is usually located at etc. php.ini. Open the configuration file in a text editor. Step 5. Adjust the configuration settings. Inside the configuration file, you can modify various settings according to your requirements. For most users, the default settings are sufficient to get started. Some common configuration options you may want to modify include display underscore errors. Set it to on to display PHP errors on the web page for debugging purposes. Error underscore reporting. Set the error reporting level according to your needs. Extension underscore dir. Make sure it points to the correct directory where PHP extensions are installed. Save the configuration file after making any changes. Step 6. Test the installation. Open a text editor and create a new PHP file, for example, test.php. Inside the PHP file, add the following code, phpinfo. Save the file and move it to the web server's document root directory. For Apache, this is typically the htdocs or www directory. Start your web server, for example, Apache. Open a web browser and enter http://localhost/test.php in the address bar. Congratulations! You have successfully installed PHP on your computer. Step-by-step guide to installing PHP on your computer. Step 1. Choose the appropriate PHP.